Hello everybody, this is Fire Nibbler and I'm back with making Minecraft PE mods. So this is going to be episode 3 where we're covering for loops and more stuff about functions so you can make a lot more dynamic code. So before we get started with all that, I've had a few people ask me what kind of text editor I'm using for this. I'm using something called Notepad++. Let's see. You can see it up here. See Notepad++. And so I'm gonna put a link to the download in that description. I think it's only for Windows, but it's really good for Windows and it's completely free. It's got a lot of plugins you can use. Yeah. So let's get started with today's lesson. We're going to be covering more about functions, so we're going to start by covering the return statement. And so with returns, you just type return, R-E-T-U-R, return. And so what this is every time you use this function, it like outputs whatever you return. So like here, instead of this being this, it's whatever you return in the code. So I guess a better way to explain this is return x plus y plus z. So now it'll return what the x value is plus what the y value is plus the z value is using the variables that we defined up here. So with using the start function, which is the same as up here, what we're going to do is we're going to do print start xyz. So now every time you tap a block, it'll print what the x value is plus the y value plus the z value. So if this is 5 and this is like 7 and this is another 5, then it'll give you 17. So that's pretty much it for the more functions. You could see you could use this a lot more in other code if you're trying to do complex math and stuff, like for I don't know, making a following mod where mobs will follow you. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the functions part of this. Now we're going to be making a for statement. So loops are really easy. So what they are is you just type for var a, so you define a variable in there, then you put one of those for var a, then a is less than 5 a plus plus. So now what it'll do is every time you tap a block, whatever's inside of this code here will run 5 times. And then if you do less than or equal to 5, then it'll run 6 times. But let's not cover that. It starts out with 0 and then it adds 1 every time. So all of the code in here will run 5 times. So if we do print start xyz, then what'll happen is it'll print it 5 times all on top of each other. But another way to do it is if you get rid of that, you can put a print a. So the first time it'll run through the loop is it'll go 0, then 1, then 2, then 3, then 4. And so it does it 5 times. So it's really good for repetitive work that you want done, so you don't have to write out all the code. I think that's pretty much it for this lesson. I know it's a little short today, guys, but I'll try and make it up to you with a longer lesson tomorrow. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. I'll be more than happy to answer any questions you guys might have. And thanks for watching this video. Thanks, bye.